Hello friends, this is Holmes, a first-time farmer over 50. Welcome to the homestead. So, we were supposed to receive between 4 and 6 inches of snow, and we ended up with about 2.5 to 3, and I would say closer to 2.5. Very light, fluffy snow. It's been really, really cold, but the chickens are doing just fine. We put fresh bedding in the coop the other night and loaded them up with water and food and everything was good. Although the water did freeze solid, so we had to dump that out and get them fresh water. So they are good to go now. Some of them are over here getting a drink. So all is good there. The other, these waters are frozen completely. I add a little bit to this one over here, so that will freeze overnight, I'm sure. But tomorrow we're going to be up in the some reports I've seen as high as 45, so that'll be great. They're doing well. Egg production has dropped off. We went from like 85% production down to about 50% production, and last couple of days we're at about 55, so not doing too bad. Not doing too bad. All things considered, as miserable as it's been, they're all doing just fine. So we got them locked up for the evening, so here in an hour or so they'll all be going inside, cuddling up together, stay nice and warm during the night, and ready to face tomorrow. So we certainly appreciate you watching. Please hit like and subscribe and ring that bell. And we look forward to seeing you again in the future. But if not, we're going to see you in the pasture.